5 Most important technology involved with 5G network everyone should know. 1. 5G network architecture. 5G networks use a new network architecture that separates control and user plane functions, allowing for more flexibility and efficiency in network management. 2. Massive MIMO technology. Massive multiple input multiple output, MIMO, technology uses multiple antennas to transmit and receive data simultaneously, improving the network's capacity and efficiency. 3. Edge computing. Edge computing brings computing power closer to the end user, reducing latency and improving the network's overall performance. 4. Network slicing. Network slicing enables network operators to create multiple virtual networks on the same physical infrastructure, each with different characteristics optimized for specific use cases. 5. Open RAN. Open RAN is an open-source, software-based approach to building mobile networks that allows for greater flexibility and innovation in network development and